My dear brothers and sisters, tonight, let us now glorify that Supreme Master, Prathama Puji, as he is called, the remover of all obstacles. As we pray to him, we ask for his blessings. We ask for him to relieve our distress, relieve our trials and tribulations, relieve our suffering and pains. We ask Ganesh Bhagwan tonight to step in to rid this world of this COVID pandemic, COVID-19. Prem se bolo Gajanan Swami ki jai. And tonight, by the way, this is a collaborative satsang. It's all inclusive. Please clap your hands. If you have musical instruments, you have your majira and so forth, please bring it out, play. But most importantly, we love to hear beautiful voices as we sing and we chant and we glorify the name of Bhagwan. Prem se bolo Gajanan Swami ki jai. Please bear with me, just a little technical difficulty here. जय जय गणपति जय गणपति जय गणेश जय गणपति जय 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 गणपति जय गणपति जय गणेश जय गणपति जय जय गणपति विघ्न विनाशनहारी गणपति विघ्न विनाशनहारी गणपति विघ्न विनाशनहारी गणपति विघ्न विनाशनहारी। ओ जय जय गणपति जय गणपति जय गणेश जय गणपति जय जय। लंबोदर पीतांबर सोहे हरिमणि मुकुटन यन रत्नारे लंबोदर पीतांबर सोहे हरिमणि मुकुटन यन रत्नारे गजमलिमाल गले बिछ सोहे गजमलिमाल गले बिछ सोहे बाल लाल में चंद्र कलावे गणपति विघ्न विनाशनहारी गणपति विघ्न विनाशनहारी। ओ जय जय गणपति जय गणपति जय गणेश जय गणपति जय 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 गणपति जय गणपति जय गणेश जय गणपति जय जय। मोदक लेख देत जननी जब ठुमक चलट नो पुर झनकारे मोदक लेत देत जननी जब ठुमक चलट नो पुर झनकारे रिधि सिद्धि दाओ चबर दोलावत रिधि सिद्धि दाओ चबर दोलावत सुर समोह लटी ओत सुखारे गणपति विघ्न विनाशनहारी गणपति विघ्न विनाशनहारी गणपति विघ्न विनाशनहारी गणपति विघ्न विनाशनहारी। ओ जय जय गणपति जय गणपति जय गणेश जय गणपति जय 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 गणपति जय गणपति जय गणेश जय गणपति जय 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 गणेश जय गणपति जय 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 गणेश जय गणपति जय जय। प्रेम से बोलो गजानन स्वामी की जय। My
my dear devotees.
Friends, I humbly ask all of you to please sing along and clap your hands and chant beautiful bhajans that we will sing tonight, glorifying the various forms of God as we give praise and thanks for this blessing of our sister or auntie who has survived this attack of COVID and is back home. And we are very, very grateful for that. Tonight, we sing this next bhajan dedicated to the feet of the Guru. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Gurur Sakshat Parah Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. The blessings of the feet of the Guru, it is said, the dust from the feet of the Guru is more sacred than going to and visit to any of the holy pilgrimage sites anywhere in this world. So wherever your gurus are, for most of us, our gurus, our spiritual gurus, perhaps has already gone to the beyond, to the other side. My spiritual guru, some of you may know him, the late Pandit Rampasad Tiwari from Devi, also known as Darhi Baba. A very, very, very highly intellectual, very spiritual, wonderful and powerful Guruji indeed. Tonight, I seek his blessings, but more than ever, we seek the blessings of our parents who are always our first gurus. Tonight, this bhajan, a bhajan composed by Surdas Ji. My father actually recorded this bhajan on a Ramayana record, Pandit Rampasad Tiwari's Ramayana group, many, many years ago. And tonight, we dedicate this bhajan to all our gurus. We seek the blessings of Guruji tonight. Prem se bolo Shri Guru Maharaj ki jai. Guru Charanan man bhayo re, Guru Charanan man bhayo, Guru Charanan man bhayo re, Guru Charanan man bhayo. ना जाओ गंगा ना जाओ जमुना राम है राम राम ना जाओ गंगा ना जाओ जमुना मन ही मन में न आयो रे मन ही मन में न आयो रे गुरु चरणन मन भायो घट ही में गंगा घट ही में जमुना राम है राम 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 घट ही में गंगा घट ही में जमुना घट ही में हरि दर्शायो रे घट ही में हरि दर्शायो रे गुरु चरणन मन भायो गुरु चरणन मन भायो रे गुरु चरणन मन भायो सूरदास में ना बिना देखे राम है राम 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 सूरदास में ना बिना देखे मन आनंद समायो रे मन आनंद समायो रे गुरु चरणन मन भायो गुरु चरणन मन भायो रे गुरु चरणन मन भायो रे गुरु चरणन मन भायो गुरु चरणन मन भायो प्रेम से बोलो श्री गुरु महाराज की जय as we glorify our gurus tonight Our katha continues, this satsang continues tonight as now we turn our focus, we turn our attention to the storehouse of energy, the powerhouse of energy, that remover of any and all obstacles in this day and age, of Kali. And who do we speak about? None other than Mahavir Swami, Pavanaputra Hanumanji. Devotees, it is said, these 40 glorious verses of Sri Hanuman Chalisa that we're about to sing, if you have the copies, please bring them out. Take out the copies. I would love for you to sing along and feel that positive energy and emanate that energy towards all that's on this all who are on the broadcast tonight. If you know of anyone who is sick and suffering as well, anyone in the hospital perhaps, even with COVID or non-COVID-19 related, please send these positive vibrations to them as a spiritual awakening. Just as we did for Kashi Didi when she was in a hospital, you all together, we all did send our positivity to her in terms of healing. Sri Hanuman Chalisa is perhaps one of the most powerful forms of spiritual medication there is. And let us take advantage of this tonight as we glorify Mahavir Swami with these beautiful words composed by Kavi Samrat Sahitya Chakravarti Goswami Tulsidas Ji as we sing tonight. Bhajalo ji Hanuman. Feel that energy. Bhajalo ji Hanuman. Bhajalo ji Hanuman. Bhajalo ji Hanuman. Shri Guru Charan Saroj Raj Nij Man Mukura Sudhari Barano Raghubar Bimal Jasu Jodayaku Phalchari Buddhihina Tanu Janike Sumirao Pavan Kumar Bal Buddhi Vidya Dehu Mohi Harahu Kales Vikar Bhajlo ji Hanuman. Bhajlo ji Hanuman. Come on, clap your hands and sing with me. Jai Hanuman Gyan Gun Sagar Jai Kapi Sati Hulo Kaujagar Ram Dutaya Tulit Baladhama Anjani Putra Pavan Sukhanama Mahavir Vikrang Bajrangi Kumatani Vara Sumati Ke Sangi Kanchana Varana Viraja Suvesa Kanana Kundala Kunchit Kesa Aat Patre aur Dhwaja Viraje Kandhe Moonj Janeyo Saje Shankar Suvana Kesari Nandan Tej Pratap Mahajagvandan Vidyavan Guniyati Chatur Ram Kaj Kadivai Ko Atur Prabhu Charitra Sunivai Ko Rasiya Ram Lakhan Sita Man Basya Sukshma Roop Dhari Siya Hi Dikhava Vikata Roop Dhari Lanka Jarava Bhima Roop Dhari Asura Sanhare Ramchandra Ke Kaj Savare Laye Sajivan Lakhan Ji Aaye Shri Raghuveer Shiv Laye Raghupati Kinhi Bahut Parai Tum Mama Priya Bharat Hi Samabhai Chahast Badan Tumharo Yash Gave As Kahi Shri Pati Kantha Lagave Sankadik Brahmadi Munisha Narad Sharad Sahit Ahisa Jamkuber Digpal Jahate Kavi Kovid Kahi Sakai Kahate Tumay Pukar Sugriv Hi Kinha Ram Milaye Rajpat Dinha Tumharo Mantra Vibhishan Mana Lankeshwar Bhai Sab Jag Jana Yug Shahastra Yojan Par Bhanu Leel Yutai Madhur Phal Janu Prabhu Mudrika Mili Mukh Mahi Jaldi Langhi Gaye Achar Janahi Durgam Kaj Jagat Ke Jete Sugmay Anugrah Tumhare Tete Ram Duare Tum Rakhware Od Naya Gya Binu Paisare Sab Sukh Lahai Tumhari Sharna Tum Rakshak Ka Ho Ko Darna आपन तेज समारो आपे, तीनहु लोक हाकते कापे। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। नाशै रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा। संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, जिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों जुग परताप तुम्हारा, है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि के दाता, असवर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंत काल रघुबर पुर जाई, जहाँ जमन हरि भक्त कहाई। और देवता चित्त न धरही, हनुमत से ही सर्व सुख करही। संकट कटै मिटै सब पीरा, जो सुमिरै हनुमत बलबीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई। जो शत बार पाठ कर कोई, छूट ही बंदी महासुख होई। जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होए सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा, की जय नाथ हृदय महदेरा। पावन तनय संकट हरन, मंगल मूर्ति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसहु सुरभूप। पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। सियापति रामचंद्र की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय। भजलो जी हनुमान, भजलो जी हनुमान, भजलो जी हनुमान, भजलो जी हनुमान। प्रेम से बोलो पवन पुत्र हनुमान की जय।
जय।
बजरंग बली महावीर स्वामी की जय.
Pandit,
Brothers and sisters,
Panditji.
for those of you who just joined us, we are of course celebrating, giving praise and thanks actually to Bhagwan for bringing our Didi, our sister, our auntie Kashi safely back home after her bout with COVID-19. Tonight, this next bhajan is ironically dedicated to the Divine Mother, Bhavani Shankar Ma, and to all mothers in this entire universe. Today,
Panditji.
someone's telling me to wait, I believe.
Yeah, Panditji. Panditji.
Say again.
Panditji.
Yes.
Yeah, the sound is low.
Sound is low.
Yeah.
How about now and better? Better. Check. Testing.
I think the others are not hearing too. Tell them to raise. Tell them to raise their hand if they're hearing you.
Please raise your hand if you can hear me. Are you hearing me okay, everybody?
It is good now.
It is good now. Okay. Awesome. Thank you. My apologies. Testing 1 2 testing. Testing 1 2. Okay. All right. Hopefully we are in a better shape now. Okay. As I was saying, this next bhajan, ironically, is dedicated to mothers. And today, incidentally, is the Universal Day of Women, Women's Universal Day, according to the Satya Sai Baba organization. And we pay tribute tonight to all mothers in particular, but to all women in this world, as we have all, every single one of us, we have all come from the womb of a mother. Without a mother's interjection into this world, none of us would be here. So we must always be grateful tonight. And of course, the children of our Didi tonight, they played a very instrumental part in that satsang that we did a few weeks ago to her. for her, sorry. And tonight we give praise and thanks to the Divine Mother once again as we sing this next beautiful bhajan. माँ तेरी ममता कितनी प्यारी, कितना प्यार जगाती है, oh कितना प्यार जगाती है. The meaning, oh mother, how dear is your affection to us. How much love it awakens in us. It protects our every breath and safeguards our lives at every step. You are the wealth and prosperity of the rishis, O mother. You are the devotion of Lord Brahma. You are the Maya or illusionary power of Lord Vishnu. Ma, you are the divine creative energy of Shakti of Lord Shiva. You create destiny within your own hands and you always come to our rescue, O Ma. Prem se bolo Jagadambe Bhavani Shankar Mata ki jai. Let us sing this beautiful bhajan. Everyone together, please. माँ तेरी ममता कितनी प्यारी, कितना प्यार जगाती है, कितना प्यार जगाती है. श्वास श्वास की रक्षा करती, श्वास श्वास की रक्षा करती, पग पग प्राण बचाती है, कितना प्यार जगाती है. बोलो माँ तेरी ममता कितनी प्यारी, कितना प्यार जगाती है, कितना प्यार जगाती है. तू ऋषियों की रिद्धि सिद्धि, तू ब्रह्मा की भांति माँ, तू विष्णु की माया देवी, तू शंकर की शक्ति माँ, तू हाथों से भाग जगाती, भागी भागी आती है, कितना प्यार जगाती है. Sing with me. माँ तेरी ममता कितनी प्यारी, कितना प्यार जगाती है, कितना प्यार जगाती है. तू काली महाकाली दुर्गा, तू ही बाल भवानी माँ, तू पुराण का तार शारदा, तू वेदों की वाणी है, तू बालक को गोद में लेकर जीवन गीत सुनाती है, कितना प्यार जगाती है. सिंग माँ तेरी ममता कितनी प्यारी, कितना प्यार जगाती है, कितना प्यार जगाती है. ओ कितना प्यार जगाती है, कितना प्यार जगाती है. प्रेम से बोलो जगदम्बे भवानी शंकर माता की जय.
जय.
My dear brothers and sisters, this next bhajan is now dedicated to the husband. So Uncle Ji, Bhaiya, it says, dear husband, you are my temple, you are my prayers, and you are my deity, God. If somebody should see you without my eyes, with my eyes, sorry, they will realize that you, what you are to me, what are you to me, what you mean to me. Wherever I look, the bhajan says, I see only you, but I don't know what kind of thoughts you are lost in. Look at me and give me a smile, my dear. If you don't, I will think that you're upset with me. It says, you are the shine of the bindi on my forehead. You are the destination of the bracelets on my hands. I am nothing more than a small earthen doll, and you are the source of my life, my breath, and my soul. Come now, a lot of the night has gone. Let me send you to sleep. The wind is making a tune, a sound, and I will sing a lullaby for you. Looking at you, the thought comes to mind that you are a sleeping angel. Beautiful lyrics indeed, beautiful meaning of this divine bhajan we sing tonight. तुम ही मेरी मंदिर, तुम ही मेरी पूजा, तुम ही देवता हो, तुम ही देवता हो. Sing with me, devotees. तुम ही मेरे मंदिर, तुम ही मेरी पूजा, तुम ही देवता हो, तुम ही देवता, तुम ही मेरी मंदिर, तुम ही मेरी पूजा, तुम ही देवता हो, तुम ही देवता हो. कोई मेरी आँखों से देखे तो समझे कि तुम मेरे क्या हो, कि तुम मेरे क्या हो. तुम ही मेरी मंदिर, तुम ही मेरी पूजा, तुम ही देवता हो, तुम ही देवता हो. इधर देखते हो, उधर तुम हो, न जाने मगर किन ख्यालों में गुम हो. जिधर देखते हो, उधर तुम हो, न जाने मगर इन ख्यालों में गुम हो. मुझे देख कर तुम जरा मुस्कुरा दो, नहीं तो मैं समझूंगी मुझसे खफा हो. तुम ही मेरी मंदिर, तुम ही मेरी पूजा, तुम ही देवता हो, तुम ही देवता हो. तुम ही मेरी माथे की बिंदिया की झिलमिल, तुम ही मेरे हाथों की गजरू की मंजिल. तुम ही मेरी माथे की बिंदिया की झिलमिल, तुम ही मेरे हाथों के गजरू की मंजिल. मैं हूँ एक छोटी सी माटी की गुड़िया, तुम ही प्राण मेरे, तुम ही आत्मा हो. तुम ही मेरे मंदिर, तुम ही मेरी पूजा, तुम ही देवता हो, तुम ही देवता हो. बहुत रात बीती, चलो मैं सुला दो पवन छेरे सरगम मैं लोरी सुना दो बहुत रात बीती चलो मैं सुला दूं पवन छेरे सरगम में लोरी सुना दूं तुम ही देख कर ये ख्याल आ रहा है कि जैसे फरिश्ता कोई सो रहा है तुम ही मेरी मंदिर तुम ही मेरी पूजा तुम ही देवता हो तुम ही देवता हो तुम ही देवता हो प्रभु रामचंद्र भगवान की जय तुम ही मेरी मंदिर तुम ही मेरी पूजा तुम ही देवता हो beautiful lyrics indeed beautiful bhajan indeed as we continue with our satsang tonight giving praise and thanks to God for his gift of life this gift of happiness you know devotees whenever we wake up in the morning the first thing that we should do apart from breathing and you know clearing the eyes and so forth is give praise and thanks to God. We look up to the ceiling or look up to the wall, wherever you are, and say these words, Lakshmi Narayan, the first words that you should utter from your lips every morning. Lakshmi Narayan, Lakshmi Mata, the goddess of prosperity, the mother of this universe, Narayan, Satya Narayan, Bhagwan, Lord Vishnu himself. He is the preserver. He is the giver of all that is pure tonight. We ask for the blessings tonight. We seek his blessings tonight in this next bhajan. One of his incarnations, of course, of Lord Vishnu, is Bhagwan Shri Krishna. Tonight we sing this beautiful bhajan. Aisi lagi lagan, mira ho gayi magan, wo to gali gali hari gun gaane nahi. Mahlo mein pali ban ke jogan chari, mera rani divani, kahane lagi, aisi lagi lagan. As we glorify him tonight with this beautiful bhajan, let me extend again a warm welcome to each and every one of you. We have several attendees tonight from all different parts of the world. India, I believe we also have a few of you from. Welcome. I know it's early morning there, so swagatam to you. Good morning, namaste. As we sing this next bhajan, I'd like all of you to clap your hands and to glorify Bhagwan Shri Krishna. Prem se bolo ba ke Bindravan Bihari Lal ki jai. ऐसी लागी लगन 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 मेरा हो गई मगन ऐसी लागी लगन मेरा हो गई मगन वो तो गली गली हरि गुण गाने लगी महलों में पली बन के जोगन चढ़ी मेरा रानी दीवानी कहाने लगी ऐसी लागी लगन मेरा हो गई मगन कोई रोके नहीं कोई टोके नहीं मेरा गोविंद गोपाल गाने लगी बैठे संतों के संग रंगी मोहन के रंग, मीरा प्रेमी प्रीतम को मनाने लगी। वो तो गली गली हरि गुण गाने लगी, ऐसी लागी लगन मीरा हो गई मगन। वो तो गली गली हरि गुण गाने लगी, ऐसी लागी लगन मीरा हो गई मगन। राणा ने विष दिया मानो अमृत पिया, मीरा सागर में सरिता समाने लगी। दुख लाखों सहे मुख से गोविंद कहे, मीरा गोविंद गोपाल गाने लगी। वो तो गली गली हरि गुण गाने लगी, ऐसी लागी लगन मीरा हो गई मगन। वो तो गली गली हरि गुण गाने लगी, महलों में परी बन के जोगन चढ़ी, मीरा रानी दीवानी कहाने लगी, ऐसी लागी लगन मीरा हो गई मगन, ऐसी लागी लगन मीरा हो गई मगन। प्रेम से बुलवा के वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय। My dear brothers and sisters, we continue with our beautiful bhajans and satsang tonight. I hope you're enjoying the selections tonight. And I hope that you are chanting and you're singing along as well. Because you see, Goswami Tulsidasi tells us in Ramayana, you know, Satya Samagama Hari Katha Tulsi Durlabhadoi Sutadara or Lakshmi Papi ke bhi hoi. The only reason we can get and we can become part and be part and partake in satsang is because of our past good deeds or past karmas. Many have tried, but many have failed. We are tonight absolutely blessed to be in the company of such beautiful, wonderful souls tonight. All of you, as we sing, as we glorify, and given this opportunity to chant the name of God. Bhagwan Sri Ram also told Shavarima in Ramayana, in Aranyakand, you know, one of the 9 forms of devotion is to sing the names of God, sing the glories of God as we are doing tonight. There is something called a spiritual bank account. When we are born, that account is opened automatically for us. It doesn't have a passbook or you can't check the balance on it. However, as you perform good karmic actions, that balance grows and it builds and it gains, it earns a lot of interest every time we serve mankind and we serve society selflessly. Devotees, let us build, let us continue to make that account flourish so that the day that this soul leaves this body and we have to go back to Bhagwan, we can withdraw from that account to wipe out any negative karmas that may exist in our lives, that we have things that we have done. Tonight, this next bhajan speaks of bhakti. Bhakti is when you have firm faith, when you have faith in God. The late playback singer, Bollywood playback singer, Sri Muhammad Rafiji, gave this beautiful bhajan to mankind. And as we, please bear with me, my assistant Pandit Keshav is not with me tonight, so I'm just multitasking, so please bear with me. So this bhajan, the meaning says, when you have a companion like God, not even the storms or the tornadoes can harm you. Very, very strong lyrics indeed. Not even the storms or the tornadoes can harm you. It says, even the sky moved beyond the reach and the earth merged into the ocean and even the entire world is lost in the lapse of tornadoes. Yet the onward march of God, God's friend, cannot be stopped. Upon whose head is placed the countless hands of God. No one can harm him. By the power of God's name, even the mountains can be transformed into a blade of grass, or it can be crumbled into dust. This is the power of the God that we speak about, Bhagwan. Again, we say Sarva Dharma. You call him by any name. You call him Rama, Krishna, Allah, Jesus, Jehovah, Buddha, whatever name tonight. We go before Bhagwan tonight as we sing and we glorify the name of God. Prem se bolo, Bhagwan Ramachandra ki jai, Baki Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. Clap your hands and sing with me. Beautiful bhajan indeed. Oh, जिसका साथी है भगवान, उसको क्या रोकेगा आंधी और तूफान। जिसका साथी है भगवान, उसको क्या रोकेगा आंधी और तूफान। जिसका साथी है भगवान, गगन दूर हो जाए जमीन, चाहे सागर में धस जाए। गगन दूर हो जाए जमीन, चाहे सागर में धस जाए। तूफानों की गोद में चाहे सारा जग खो जाए, पावन रुकने पावे। हो जिसका साथी है भगवान, उसको क्या रोकेगा आंधी और तूफान। जिसका साथी है भगवान, जिसके शीश पे हाथ हजारों, छू न कोई पाएगा। जिसके शीश पे हाथ हजारों, छू न कोई पाएगा। हरि नाम से ये पर्वत भी जिनका बन जाएगा, धूल में मिल जाएगा। ओ जिसका साथी है भगवान, उसको क्या रोकेगा आंधी और तूफान। जिसका साथी है भगवान, उसको क्या रोकेगा आंधी और तूफान। जिसका साथी है भगवान, जिसका साथी है भगवान, जिसका साथी है भगवान। प्रेम से बोलो बाके वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय। जिसका साथी है भगवान। This next bhajan tonight, very popular. It's a Bollywood bhajan actually, but it became very popular back, I think, perhaps in the 80s, in the early 80s, as a bhajan dedicated to the goddess Tulsi Mata. And during this month of Kartik that we're in right now, special worship and many austerities are performed to Tulsi Ma. Why? It is said that Tulsi Mata, once we worship Tulsi Mata, during this month of Kartik, she showers her wealth, she showers her blessings, her fortune in the form of Mother Lakshmi to us, Dhan Lakshmi. And as we glorify her tonight with this beautiful bhajan, I would like to ask all of you to please join. You all know it very well. Join and sing with me, please. Prem se bolo Shri Tulsi Mata Maharani ki jai.
Jai.
द्वार परे परे तरस गई, द्वार परे परे तरस गई, आज उमर कर बरस गई, प्यासी पतली सावन की। मैं तुलसी तेरे आंगन की, मैं तुलसी तेरे आंगन कोई नहीं मैं, कोई नहीं मैं, कोई नहीं मैं तेरे साजन की, मैं तुलसी तेरे आंगन की, मैं तुलसी। द्वार परे परे तरस गई, आज मर कर बरस गई, प्यासी बदली सावन की, मैं तुलसी तेरे आंगन की, मैं तुलसी। मांग तेरी सिंदूर भी तेरा, मांग तेरी सिंदूर भी तेरा, सब कुछ तेरा कुछ नहीं मेरा, मोह सौगंध तेरी असुवन की, मैं तुलसी तेरे आंगन की, मैं तुलसी। काहे को तू मुझसे जलती है, काहे को तू मुझसे जलती है, तेरी मोहे तो तू लगती है, कोई सहेली बचपन की, मैं तुलसी तेरे आंगन की, कोई नहीं मैं, कोई नहीं मैं, कोई नहीं मैं तेरे साजन की, मैं तुलसी तेरे आंगन की, मैं तुलसी तेरे आंगन की। प्रेम से बोलो श्री तुलसी माता महारानी की जय।
जय।
My dear brothers and sisters, a short message for you tonight. Paramahansa Yogananda, he said, we must always feel the love of God. Then in every person you will see the face of the Father, the light of love which is in all. Siyarama Mai Sabu Jagajani. You will find a magic, a living relationship uniting the trees, the sky, the stars, and all people, all living things. And then you will feel a oneness within them. This is the code of divine love, says Paramahansa Yogananda. As we glorify tonight Pavanaputra Hanumanji, Mahabir Swami, with this next bhajan. A beautiful bhajan, when Hanumanji found the location, when he gathered the intelligence where Mother Sita was located in Lanka, and he was flying across the ocean, coming back now to the shores of the southern tip of India, the Hanushkodi. When the Vanas, the monkeys and bears saw him coming from a distance, they began to dance, they began to sing and glorify and cheer. The hero was coming, he was approaching. And this bhajan, devotees, depicts that scene of joy. Tonight, as we depict that scene of joy, we are very happy tonight that our Didi, or auntie, has returned from that hospital and she's back home with her loved ones. And we can certainly sit tonight as one family in this virtual yagshala, this virtual sphere called the internet, the World Wide Web, using Zoom technology tonight, to sing, to chant, and to glorify the names of Bhagwan, as we will tonight. Pavanaputta Hanuman ki Jai Bajrang Bali Mahavir Swami. I want you to feel the energy of this bhajan tonight. Again, if you know of anyone who is sick and suffering, if you know of anyone who is in a hospital tonight, reach out to them, channel this positive energy, these positive vibrations to them. Let that feeling of positivity and that healing vibration emanate from you towards them virtually. Let the spirit of healing, feel that spirit of healing tonight as we sing this beautiful bhajan. Atulit baladhamam ema shailabadeham danujvana krishanu ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। प्रेम से बोलो पवन पुत्र हनुमान की जय। Clap your hands, devotees. Clap and sing with me. Prem se bolo Mahavir Swami ki. Prabhu Ramchandra ki दूता हनुमंता आंजनेय होय। प्रभु रामचंद्र की दूता हनुमंता आंजनेय। ओ प्रभु रामचंद्र की दूता हनुमंता आंजनेय। ओ प्रभु रामचंद्र की दूता हनुमंता आंजनेय। ओ हनुमंता 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 आंजनेय। ओ हनुमंता 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 आंजनेय। Devotees, the monkeys and bears, the banners, they began to dance, they began to chant, they began to sing, and they began to sing Jai Shri Ram. As Hanuman Baba approaches that southern tip of India with the intelligence where Mother Sita is, and they sing, हे पवन पुत्र हनुमंता बल भीमा आंजनेय। हे पवन पुत्र हनुमंता बल भीमा आंजनेय। बल भीमा आंजनेय। ओ बल भीमा आंजनेय। ओ बल भीमा बल भीमा बल भीमा आंजनेय। ओ बल भीमा बल भीमा बल भीमा आंजनेय। ओ जय हो जय हो जय हो आंजनेय। ओ जय हो जय हो जय हो आंजनेय। ओ प्रभु रामचंद्र की दूता हनुमंता आंजनेय। ओ प्रभु रामचंद्र की दूता हनुमंता आंजनेय। ओ हनुमंता 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 आंजनेय। ओ हनुमंता 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 आंजनेय। हे पवन पुत्र हनुमंता बल भीमा आंजनेय। हे पवन पुत्र हनुमंता बल भीमा आंजनेय। बल भीमा आंजनेय। ओ बल भीमा आंजनेय। ओ बल भीमा बल भीमा बल भीमा आंजनेय। ओ बल भीमा बल भीमा बल भीमा आंजनेय। ओ जय हो जय हो जय हो आंजनेय। ओ जय हो जय हो जय हो आंजनेय। ओ प्रभु रामचंद्र की दूता हनुमंता आंजनेय। ओ हनुमंता आंजनेय। ओ हनुमंता आंजनेय। प्रेम से बोलो पवन पुत्र हनुमान की जय। बजरंग बली। Hopefully you felt the positivity, the positive energy of that bhajan. And tonight, let us turn now to another beautiful bhajan. This one, I will give you the meaning here in just a minute. Let me just get set up for the rhythm, and I will have one more bhajan after this, and then we'll turn it over to our guests or invitees this evening to take us through for the rest of the program. I hope you all are enjoying, so not enjoying, but certainly feeling the positivity and the healing powers of these bhajans and this satsang that we are all gathered in tonight as one family to sing, to chant, and to glorify the name of Bhagwan. Prem se bolo Maryada Purushottam Bhagwan Ramachandra ki jai. As we continue tonight with this next bhajan, I will explain to you here in just 1 second. The meaning of this bhajan. You are the ocean of love. Tu pyar ka sagar hai. You are the ocean of love. We are thirsty for a sip of a single drop. If you will dismiss us from your doorstep, O Lord, we will exit this world. At this end, life may be celebrating its existence, but on the other end, death is standing, waiting for us. Devotees, who knows the limits of this prospect? This dilemma has befallen us. The wounded heart is a cage from which a restless bird, the spirit, is dying to be free. The wings are delicate and the breath is weak, and it has been to fly across this ocean of existence, sansar. You are now alone. Explain this to our restless spirit, where we will get lost in this journey. Just whisper a little and hint into our ears, O Lord. Guide us to which direction we came from. We are so lost, the bhajan tells us tonight. Let us blend our voices again and sing. तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम लौटार दिया तूने, लौटार दिया तूने, चले जाएंगे जहां से हम, तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है। घायला मन पागल पंछी उड़ने को बेकरार, उड़ने को बेकरार, पंख है कोमल आँख धुंधली, जाना है सागर पार, जाना है सागर पार। अब तू ही से समझा, अब तू ही से समझा, राह भूले थे कहाँ से हम, तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है। कोई क्या जाने कहाँ है सीमा, उलझन परी, उलझन भरी, इधर झूम के गाए जिंदगी, उधर है मौत करी, उधर है मौत करी। कानों में जरा कह दे, कानों में जरा कह दे, किया है कौन दिशा से हम, किया है कौन दिशा से हम, तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है, चले एक बूंद के प्यासे हम, लौटार दिया तूने, लौटार दिया तूने, चले जाएंगे जहां से हम, तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है। You are indeed the ocean of love, O Bhagwan. And finally tonight, we sing this bhajan, originally sung by the late Mukesh Chandra Mathurji, and the meaning, very deep meaning indeed. The bhajan tells us, what do I know of the sound of variations? All I know is to sing a song of love unto him, meaning Bhagwan. It says, and talking about songs, I do not know the particulars of singing. When I sing, all I can say is, Lord, oh my Lord, oh my Lord. And then my eyes become filled with the tears of his love. By singing his glory doesn't mean that God will abandon his law of divine justice to please anyone. Then why do I sing his glories? All I can say is when I'm asked, I am intoxicated in love and devotion with the Lord. What else do I know? Tonight, devotees, as we close this segment of the satsang this evening, I ask all of you to become intoxicated with love for God, because it's the surest, it's the most thing, it's perhaps the most important thing, that we are certain that his love for every single one of his creatures is equal. He loves all of his children equally. And one thing that we are sure that will happen tomorrow morning, you and I may not be here, but the sun will certainly rise. And who is the sun? Surya Narayan Bhagwan, that form of God again. Tonight, we sing this beautiful bhajan. सुर की गति में क्या जानूं, एक भजन करना जानूं। सुर की गति में क्या जानूं, एक भजन करना जानूं। Sing with me, come on. सुर की गति में क्या जानूं, एक भजन करना जानूं। मरम भजन का भी अति गहरा, मरम भजन का भी अति गहरा, उसको भी मैं क्या जानूं। मरम भजन का भी अति गहरा, उसको भी मैं क्या जानूं। प्रभु 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 करना जानूं, प्रभु 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 करना जानूं। नैना जल भरना जानूं, सुर की गति में क्या जानूं, एक भजन करना जानूं। गुण गाए गुण गाए प्रभु न्याय ना छोड़े, फिर क्यों तुम गुण गाते हो। मैं बोला मैं प्रेम दीवाना, मैं बोला मैं प्रेम दीवाना, इतनी बातें क्या जानूं। प्रभु 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 करना जानूं, प्रभु 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 करना जानूं। नैना जल भरना जानूं, सुर की गति में क्या जानूं, एक भजन करना जानूं। सुर की गति में क्या जानूं, एक भजन करना जानूं। सुर की गति में क्या जानूं प्रेम से बोलो बाकी वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय।
जय।
त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव। प्रेम से बोलो मरियादा पुरुषोत्तम भगवान रामचंद्र की जय। बाके वृंदावन
जय।
बिहारी लाल की जय।
जय।
कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद। Thank you all so much for giving me this opportunity tonight to sing, to chant, to glorify Bhagwan, the name of God, in satsang. And it was an absolute pleasure spending this past hour and change with you all. What I'd like to do now is to turn it over to Devika Didi to introduce some of the other folks that will be singing with us tonight. But I'd like to extend an invitation to all of you, if you haven't or if you don't do it already, to attend or to join my bi-weekly satsang. Since the COVID pandemic started back in April of this year, we have been doing bi-weekly satsangs on Tuesday and Saturday nights. It's aired on Akashvani Live 106.5. And also here on, it'll be on Facebook Live and YouTube Live as well. The program is called Shivoham, Universal Healing Through Oneness. 2 hours of devotion, meditation, bhakti, katha, beautiful bhajans and chanting. There's also a children's segment. And this coming Saturday, we'll be conducting our 60th edition. So we've come quite a long way, and that's just to tell you how many weeks we have done. So that means 30 weeks, 30 plus weeks of lockdown so far. And we are not by any means over yet. So with that said, I would like to hand you over to Devika ji, who will take us through the rest of the evening. Devika ji.
Hi. Thank you, Panditji. Always a good discourse, always. Well, we wouldn't have anybody, holding on for too long. Panditji, the volume was low tonight. I'm not sure why. Sometimes you would be good, and then sometimes you went low again. Like just now, just as you was singing Twamiwa Mata and you start talking, it
went low.
It went low. You're low again. Anyway, we have Chandan Palji from India and Suresh G also from India. I think Kashi's daughter from London. Am I right? Hello, Kashi? Panditji, are you hearing me?
I can hear you.
I don't think Kashi is hearing. Yeah.
She needs to. I think she has to unmute.
Yes, Devika.
Yes. Kashi, is your daughter online with us?
Yes, she.
Yeah, she's from London. I was just naming where they're from. All right, so Suresh G, are you hearing me?
Suresh Ji, you got to unmute.
Hi, Namaste, Suresh Ji. How are you?
I am fine, madam. गुरुजी, अपने गुरुजी को मैं प्रणाम करता हूँ. सबसे पहले गुरुजी को अपने मैं विश करता हूँ, प्रणाम करता हूँ नीलदेव पंडित जी महाराज को.
कोटि धन्यवाद जी, कोटि धन्यवाद.
आपको भी मैं नमस्कार करता हूँ, प्रणाम करता हूँ.
Namaskar.
Suresh, I know you and Chandapal ji is online with us, and I am my humble request for if you can sing us a song, doesn't matter, because we are giving praises and thanks to God for our PD. So any song that you would like to sing, we'll appreciate it.
Yes.
Oh, so you can take it over when you want, and then we'll go to Chandapal.
I'm going to ask if you are not singing or speaking to please mute and let the singer alone be on. We appreciate it. Sound will be much better. Thank you. Suresh, if you can hold the mic or the phone closer to you, that'd be great. Thank you, sir.
We must say Suresh is the one who won Ghana Tarana 2020.
Yes.
Congratulations again, Suresh.
Thank you, madam. Can I present?
Yes, proceed.
The bhajan?
Yes.
Okay. मन रे तू काहे ना मोही मोह बजा जिनका मोह करे मन रे काहे ना धरी Sorry. मरे तू काहे ना धरी मोही मोह बजा जिनका मोह करे जीवन की चढ़ती ढलती रूप तो किसने रंग किसने पहले डाले रूप तो किसने काहे जतन करे मन रे तू काहे ना प्यार समझ कोई जितना साथ निभाए जन्म मरण का मेल है सपना ये सपना बिसरा कोई न संग मरे मरे
Thank you, Sergi. Paniji? Paniji?
I can hear you. Go ahead.
Yeah. Well, that's something about, is this song bad? And
Coming across like this at live on Zoom, that is a problem, yes.
that's the problem.
Yes.
Okay. When it's coming from, okay. Chandan Palji?
Good morning.
Good morning.
And
Namaste.
Namaste. Good morning, Guruji.
Good morning,
and
Namaste ji.
And all of you. Namaste ji.
Namaste.
Yeah. We're now seeing you.
Aha.
How are you? How are you?
Fine, fine. How are you all?
We are all fine too. We are
Thank
good.
you.
So again, I'm going to ask you a humble request to sing us anything that you wish to sing.
Okay, okay. हाँ, ठीक है. I am singing काजल film आशा भोसले जी का तोड़ा मन दर्पण.
Okay.
मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ. हाँ. तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए, तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए. थोड़ी भोरे सारे कर्मों को देखे और दिखाए, तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए, तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए. मन ही देवता मन ही ईश्वर, मन से बड़ा न कोई. मन ही देवता मन ही ईश्वर, मन से बड़ा न कोई. मन उजियारा जब जब फैले, जग उजियारा हो. इस उजले दर्पण पर प्राणी धूल न जमने पाए, तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए, तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए. सुख की कलियां दुख की काटे, मन सबका था. सुख की कलियां दुख की काटे, मन सबका था. मन से कोई बात छुपे ना, मन के रहने हजार. जग से चाहे भागल कोई, मन से भाग न पाए, तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए, तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए। भले बुरे सारे कर्मों को देखे और दिखाए, तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए, तोरा मन दर्पण कहलाए।
Thank you, Chandapal ji. And
Thank you.
And Suresh ji, I know it is very early in the morning for you all, and we do appreciate on behalf of Kashi, we appreciate getting up and joining us on this day that we are praising and thanking God for Kashi's um, recovering from COVID. I will now ask Kashi or Partha to close, if by chance you want to say anything. Anyone of Kashi or Kashi?
Devika,
Yes, yes.
she may probably say towards the last, but let me take the controller.
Okay, go ahead.
Firstly, Panditji, to all my brothers, sisters, I want to say a special thanks on this occasion. It will be, I want to extremely nice, all of us on this unique occasion to say thanks. God has been very great to us and extremely great to us. This could not be done all by ourselves. It was done with your help, and I really want to thank you all. I want to thank you all on behalf of our family for joining us at a time when we needed you all most. Our spiritual guidance and your spiritual energy had made us much more powerful today. Manguru, my brother Harry, and so many friends have came out in praise. May this satsang, may this devotion, may this remind, these spiritual sparks be injected to all of our lives. And may the vibration go from strength to strength and remain united as a family, remain united as a friend. And may God richly bless you all. On behalf of myself, Kashi, Carla, Keisha in London, I want to say thank you. Namaste, Sitaram. All the best.
Sitaram.
Yeah.
Kashi? Or before Kashi speak, because I know Kashi might be the last person. Anybody else online? I don't know if Mr. Mongo is still there. But anybody else before Kashi speak, because she can be the last, and then Pandit will. Mr. Raghunandan? Okay, so Kashi or Mr. Raghunandan, do you want to say a few words?
Yeah. Devika?
Yes, yes.
Are you hearing me? Yeah, yeah. Yes, of course, I would like to say thank you very much, Panditji. I totally enjoyed your singing. You reminded me of all the great singers, Mohammed Rafi, Mande, and everybody else who were original singers of those beautiful bhajans. It was totally enjoyable. And to Kashi, I would like to say it was so good and such a joyous occasion to see you back. I know I came to see you recently and I came to drop something for you, and you got me very upset because you were in the yard working. And when you sat down, it took a little while to catch your breath. Kashi, you've worked hard all your life. You were caring for people, looking after people, and serving all your friends. Now is the time for you to sit back and enjoy your life. God has given you a message, and I think it is time that you rest, relax, and enjoy the rest of your life. You've done enough for all of us, and take a little time, look after yourself. I know you'll be a lot stronger in the end. You will be perfect again, but please take your time, sweetheart, and do what you have to do. thank your God, and I know you're a very, very religious person, and you always deal with your Maker at first, before anything else. Both you, your Partap, and your entire family. So please take it easy. You've come from a very, very long way. We all prayed for you. We all cried for you. But it was not all in vain. And it's good to see you back with us. So keep safe, darling. Keep good. And thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye, Devika.
Okay. Before we bring Kashi, Kala, you or your sister in London would like?
Is she offline?
Yes,
Auntie?
darling. Which one of the daughters? Kala, you or? We're not hearing anything.
Auntie?
Yes, Kala, are you hearing me?
Yeah, I think Keisha has logged off.
Okay. So do you want to say
Yeah,
something?
I believe it was a little late.
Yeah, I know. London. So do you want to say anything?
Well, I just want to thank Pandit for his lovely words. We always enjoy his singing. And you came to us at a point where we were very weak, because when your loved one is not well, you doesn't have the strength to, be as powerful as you would. And I want to thank you for being our strength during a weak time in the family's life.
All right, so we hear from Kashi now. Kashi, you are looking so beautiful. Thank
Sitaram.
you.
Sitaram Pandit, Sitaram, everyone, all brothers and sisters. Devika, I must say, you has outdone yourself again. I must say thank you to all for the input, all the prayers. Today I am home, and I'm very grateful for all the input from everyone. I know there were tears, I know there were more prayers. And today, this is the power of joint prayers. Whether it's Hindu, Muslim, Catholic, whatever, prayers was answered in a big way. And I'm very grateful. Yes, Brother Harry, I know you're worried about me, but I will slow down. Thank you. To the brother and sister from India, I must say thanks so much. It's very touching to know that you all get up this early morning in order to join us in prayers. Well appreciated. For Partap and Kala, I must say thanks and many blessings. Devika, today I would like to say, as Pandit said, that today had been dedicated to women, and I think you deserve to take the award today. I love you, and I will say God's blessing to everyone. May love and light always surround each one of you all, especially Pandit. I enjoyed every moment of it. Thanks again. Sitaram.
Thank you, Kashi, for your kind words, and you know that we all love you too. Everybody who is online right now, it's about love. Panditji. Panditji.
If I unmute, you can hear me now? Yes.
Yes.
Thank you very much, everyone, for your kind words and your participation this evening. The power of, you all said it, I don't have to say anything. You have quoted the scriptures. The power of prayer is fathomless. You cannot begin to even write, to understand, to comprehend what the power of prayer, and especially when we come together like this into a virtual satsang, virtual yagshala, and we blend our hearts, our minds that are pure, and we process this positive energy, and then we let it now emanate from our bodies, minds, and souls. Just like we did a few weeks ago when Didi was in the hospital. And she said to us, I think when she spoke that night, she said she could feel the love. She could feel the energy. So tonight from the Far East, Chandanaji, Sureshji, if you are still with us, Thank you. Koti Dhanyabad. It's early morning in India. We hope that you all are going to be safe. Please take precautions over there. For you, those of you in Trinidad, please also be safe. We here in the United States are doing our very best to be safe. Florida, luckily, is down in terms of numbers, but the rest of the country is not doing too well at the moment. So we hope that this COVID-19 pandemic would subside. We hopefully have a vaccine here at the end of the year, and we can certainly put this thing to rest once and for all, and so that life can go back together. But as you can tell, it will be a long time before things get back to normal. We are going to be in this virtual, this remote world for quite some time to come. I think that God is teaching us a lesson that there are other ways that you can survive. And in celebration of Women's Day today, I would like to ask all of you, think those of you whose parents are alive, subliminally bow to their feet. And those of you whose parents have gone to the beyond, I'd like you to put a picture of them, take a picture of especially Ma in your minds, in your hearts tonight. And mentally bow to that feet of your mother, the Divine Mother, that woman who was responsible for bringing you into this world, who bore you for 9 months, sharing her food, water, her air, her breath with you, and maybe has gone to the beyond today. Seek the blessings. We pay tribute to that mother tonight as we close this satsang, as we have celebrated the recovery of a mother tonight, a beautiful mother in our Didi Kashi Ji. Let us close our eyes and offer prayers tonight to Bhagwan as we give praise and thanks. Asato ma satgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya prechurma amritam gamaya. From on truth, lead us on to truth. From darkness, lead us on to light. And from death, lead us on to eternity. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om. 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 प्रेम से बोलो गजानन स्वामी की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय, प्रभु रामचंद्र भगवान की जय
जय जय जय जय जय सीताराम.
Thank you all. God blessings. Please be safe until we meet again. May God be with each and every one of you. Have a wonderful rest of evening or rest of day as you guys will do in India. And
I have enjoyed a lot your songs. Very nice.
Thank
very
you.
nice.
Thank you. Nice. Thank you so much.
Very nice.
God's blessings to all of you. Take care now. Jai Sita.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Jai Sitaram.
Thank you.